personally do not have a living will or a power of attorney, and I'm not in good health. But the person that I'm married to, I was married and separated for 6 or 8 months. I purchased a home in the process. Then I asked him to move back in, and he's lived 6 to 8 months. Now we're in the process of going through a divorce. If something was to happen to me health-wise, since I purchased it while we were separated, would he be entitled to it? Would I have to sell it during the divorce, or how would I go about that?
Okay, well, I'm sorry, what was it that she said that she had?
Can you help her out? I'm
sorry.
sorry.
Sure. I think her concern is what happens to her home during the pendency of the divorce.
That part, yes. Oftentimes,
right, if I were to die in divorce or something like that, how would that go about? Would he be awfully entitled to it, or, you know, would my daughter get it, or, since I don't have a living will, or?
Well, ma'am, if you're married, he has a marital interest in it. Now, it may not be half. It would depend on if you owned it before the marriage, if you provided most of the money to purchase it, how long you had been married. But yes, as your spouse, he would be entitled to part of your estate. Now, if that would be the whole house or not, I do not know. Another reason it's extremely critical for you to do a will. Now in Alabama, you cannot omit your spouse. If you completely omit a spouse, there's a statute that provides for them to make an election. So you would need to discuss this with an attorney. Certainly if you're not happy in your situation, you need to deal with that if you did want your whole estate to go to your daughter, because if you're married in Alabama, you're going to have issues with that.
All right.